Hi everyone, this is Leon here. So I'm going to show you something not really new. It's been here for a while. It's just that I didn't have a chance to take the video. So anyway, here we go. Ta-da! Our grow light indoor system. Now in a previous video, I did some so-called unboxing video, and I took this is the grow light mentioned. As you can see, the plants are growing very well. So one thing amazing about grow light is because you can install it anywhere. As many of you know that in Singapore, most of us stay in a HDB or a condo where light is scarce. Even my home also, we stay on the second floor, the HDB, and there's no sunlight. Literally, even our corridor also have no sunlight. So my wife has been nagging me to use grow lights. So yeah, here we are experimenting on them and deciding what to use. For the grow lights wise, the good thing about it is you can install a timer. I'm not sure you can see down here, there's an electrical timer. So it will turn on at certain hours of the day or at night, it's up to you, 12 hours or whatever you want. Now, the results, we experimented on different kinds of grow lights. There's the purplish kind, that means the more red bulbs, a bit of blue bulbs here and there, so it produce a purple light. And there's the so-called full spectrum one, the whitish color version. Now, if you go and Google online, some people will say, oh, the purple light is meant more for the fruiting plants, because they need this for the fruiting only, And others will say that, no, it's not. It's meant to complement plants that already have full spectrum sunlight to help them grow faster. Because why? The colors, is needed for photosynthesis, and you give more of it, you photosynthesize faster. But then again, so, we hear all these different people saying here and there, because personally, right, for us, we usually do outdoor growing. We have the sunlight, we never have to worry about all this. Until obviously when we move here and space is constrained in terms of the training center, there's very little outdoor growing space. We have to start going into the artificial lighting. And it helps because many of our students also live in an apartment house and they will need artificial lighting. So, the results. This particular supplier is not very good. You can see the bulb here is a bit kind of dying already. And the results of it is also that the plants seem to grow better with the full spectrum, the white color lights. So I would agree with those online articles saying that it is only meant to complement whatever plants that already has a full spectrum. That means they have a bit of sunlight already, you just want to grow a bit stronger, a bit faster, then you add the purple light. But if it doesn't have in the first place, the plants here won't do so well. So you can see some of these pots are already empty. These were the dead veggies. So they didn't last very long. Okay. Of course, the one nearer towards the white color itself, it is doing slightly better. So like this here, but the rest of it here not so well. These are ornamental plants, so they don't need so much sunlight. If I were to choose, I would choose the full spectrum, the white color bulb. For those of you who are interested to know, these are 15 watts, okay, per bulb, and they are modular. You can just attach more and more, as many as you like. So the strength of it, the power, the number of watts also plays a part because our friend here, this is actually from a local supplier. They do germinate, but they grow very slowly. Okay, the seeds here germinate everywhere. Everything does well, but the vegetables are growing much slower than those using the first bulb, the one that I unboxed. So in conclusion, if I were to choose one of these bulbs to take home and start to grow my food, I would choose this. Okay, the whitish version and probably with enough power, 15 watts at least. And from there you can have very healthy plants like the stevia here, the cologne, the Swiss chard also growing very well. The lettuce there were a few, but we've already eaten it, so yeah, sorry about that. Okay, this is a very short video. I hope you learned a thing or two from it, and take care everyone and goodbye.